You've been asking for a while now, and secretly, we've been working for months. We're beyond excited to announce Online Epoxy Pro. This is the ultimate way to learn everything you need to start, grow, and succeed as an epoxy professional. We've created this course to be your comprehensive resource and guide to success. Whether you're starting from ground up or adding epoxy services to your existing business, this course provides all of the information you need. Online Epoxy Pro helps you master everything from the basics of epoxy and creating finishes to constructing and pouring countertops, backsplashes, and showers. We'll be including all our business secrets on pricing, bidding, contracts, marketing, and more. You'll have lifetime access to over 100 videos, as well as downloadable documents and exclusive benefits, including our private community and valuable discounts. Online Epoxy Pro provides the opportunity to learn the epoxy trade in your own home at your own pace. It differs from our in-person classes, as this online course combines all of the information from Epoxy 101, Pro Class, and Designer Finishes into one incredible resource. Guys, I really want you to understand how much passion we have for this online class. We love our hands-on workshops. We love meeting people, but we also understand there are so many of you that cannot travel, and you still want that information. You still want that value. You still want to be able to start your own business. And this is why we are presenting this online course is for you guys. There's so much more that we can't wait to tell you about. But for now, you need to know that Online Epoxy Pro will be available for pre-sale starting April 6th. Visit our website, onlineepoxypro.com, to be notified when it's ready and get a sneak peek of what's inside the course. Now it's time for you to take control of your future. Don't be scared, move forward, and let's get creative.